Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if auto brightness is not working on your Nokia 5. If auto brightness is not working, the first step you could take is check if it's turned on. Simply go into Settings, Display, and then Adaptive Brightness. If it is turned on, you could try turning it off and then back on again. If this still doesn't fix your problem, you could try taking a microfiber cloth and then cleaning around the front camera, since that's where the sensors for ambient light should be. If this still doesn't solve your problem, try going in Settings, scroll down to System, then Advanced, then scroll down and System Update to check if your system is maybe not up to date. If it is, however, you might want to possibly restart your phone. To do so, hold the power button and press Restart. That would restart your phone and refresh the sensors. If, however, that still doesn't work, you could try going into safe mode. This will rule out third-party app tampering with the adaptive brightness. You would simply click OK, and it would put you into safe mode. To exit safe mode, you would then just reset your phone as normal, and you would come back from safe mode. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.